Hello students, welcome to the third video of a complex number class. Today we are going to discuss modulus and square root of a complex number. So before starting, first we start Brahmanad. शांति शांति शांति। सोचता modulus and square root of a complex number. Last class we are discussed about conjugate and the properties of the conjugate complex number. You know conjugate means if z equal to a plus ib be a complex number, then conjugate of z is denoted by z bar, where z bar equal to a minus ib, and which is obtained same in the real part but opposite sign in the imaginary part. Properties z bar equal to z if z is a purely real, z bar equal to minus z if z is purely imaginary, z plus z bar equal to 2 into real part of z, z minus z bar equal to 2 into imaginary part of z, then z1 plus z2 रो whole conjugate equal to z1 रो conjugate plus z2 रो conjugate, z1 minus z2 रो whole conjugate equal to z1 conjugate minus z2 रो conjugate, like that z1 into z2 whole conjugate equal to z1 conjugate into z2 conjugate. So in generally z square रो conjugate equal to z रो conjugate रो square, okay, like that z to the power n रो whole conjugate equal to z रो conjugate रो power n. These are all are properties of conjugate complex number. Okay, now today we will discuss modulus of a complex number. Modulus. Modulus of a complex number. Let z equal to a plus ib be a complex number, be a complex number. The modulus of z, modulus of z is denoted by mod z, where mod z equal to root of a square plus b square. A means real part of square plus b means imaginary part of z रो square, and this is equal to root of real part of z रो whole square plus imaginary part of z रो whole square. Okay, so modulus of the complex number equal to root of real part of the complex number square plus imaginary part of complex number square. Okay, for example 3 plus 4i रो modulus equal to ये real part is 3, imaginary part is 4, so this is root of real part रो square 3 रो square plus 4 रो square, and this is known as 9 plus 16 25, so root 25 equal to 5. So modulus means distance, modulus means distance from origin to the point. Okay, so distance never be negative, so we take modulus is a positive value, like that 1 minus I रो modulus equal to root of real part रो square 1, here imaginary part is minus 1 रो square, so 1 plus 1 and this is root 2. Okay, now minus 3 plus 2i, minus 3 plus 2i रो modulus, that is root of minus 3 रो square plus 2 रो square, imaginary part रो square, and this is equal to 9 plus 4 and this is known as root over 13. Okay, these are the modulus of the complex number. Okay, now the properties of the modulus of the complex number. If z1 and z2 are complex numbers, then number 1, mod z equal to 0. Okay, a complex number whose modulus is 0 if z equal to 0, if and only if z equal to 0, because 0 is also a complex number and its modulus is 0. Okay, number 2, mod z equal to minus z ro modulus. Mod z equal to minus z ro mod and equal to z ro conjugate ro modulus. Why mod z equal to minus z ro mod equal to z ro conjugate? If we take a z equal to a plus ib, then what will be minus z? The minus z means minus a minus ib, and z bar means a minus ib. Taking modulus, here a root over a square plus b square, here root over minus a ro square plus minus b ro square, that is root over a square plus b square. Here a minus ib ro modulus means root over a square plus minus b ro square, that is all about root over a square plus b square. So mod z equal to minus mod z equal to z ro conjugate ro modulus. Number 3, so mod z ro square equal to z into z ro conjugate. Mod z square equal to z into z ro conjugate. Why? Because if we take a z equal to a plus ib, then z bar equal to a minus ib. Now multiplying a plus ib into a minus ib, this is a square minus ib whole square. So a square minus I square b square, that is a square plus b square, and mod z means root over a square plus b square. Mod z square a square plus b square. Okay, that's why mod z square equal to z into z ro conjugate. Number 4, minus mod z less than or equal to real part of z. So real part of z less than or equal to minus mod z, and real part of z greater than or equal to minus mod z, and which will be less than or equal to mod z. Like that, imaginary part minus mod z also less than or equal to imaginary part of z, and which is less than or equal to mod z. Why? Real part of z less than equal to mod z, and which is greater than equal to minus mod z, because if we take z equal to a plus ib, okay, then what will be mod z? So mod z means root over a square plus b square, minus mod z means minus root over a square plus b square. Real part of z कौन अच्छे a, तो minus root over a square plus b square is naturally less than a, कहीं ये minus अच्छे ना, तो minus root over a square plus b square टा a ठारू कौन होगा less हो, and which will be less than or equal to mod z, because mod z means root over a square plus b square. A ro value da less than root over a square plus b square. But when equality will hold, if z equal to 0, in such case minus mod z 0, z real part of z 0, mod z equal to 0, से case रे कौन होची equal होची. Otherwise minus mod z is less than equal to real part of z and less than equal to mod z. Okay. Similarly, imaginary part of z less than equal to mod z, and which is less than or equal to minus mod z. These are the properties of modulus. Next, number 6 property, z1 into z2 ro whole mod, z1 into z2 ro whole mod equal to mod z1 into mod z2, like that z1 by z2 ro whole mod is also mod z1 by z2 ro mod, provided z2 not equal to 0, where z2 is not a zero complex number. Next, 8 property, z1 plus z2 ro whole mod ro square, z1 plus z2 mod square equal to mod z1 ro square plus 2 into real part of z1 into z2 ro conjugate plus mod z2 square, like that z1 minus z2 ro mod square equal to mod z1 square minus 2 into real part of z1 into z2 ର conjugate plus more z2 ର square plus more z2 ର square. Okay. Similarly, z1 plus z2 ର mode, z1 plus z2 ର mode is less than or equal to more z1 plus more z2. This is known as a triangle inequality of the complex number, and this 11 property z1 minus z2 whole mode is greater than or equal to more z1 minus more z2. z1 minus z2 whole mode is greater than or equal to more z1 minus more z2, whereas z1 plus z2 whole mode is less than or equal to more z1 plus more z2. Okay, these are the properties. Now we prove 3 number property, 3 property prove kariya, 6 property, then 8, 10 now 9 property. Okay, dekha we prove some of the properties of the modulus complex number. Okay, so proof of 3, more z square equal to z into z conjugate. More z square equal to z into z conjugate. Okay, first we take z equal to a plus ib. Let z equal to a plus ib be a complex number, and what will be z conjugate? So z conjugate equal to a minus ib. Now more z equal to root of n a square plus b square. More z square equal to a square plus b square. Okay. Now z into z conjugate. Z into z conjugate equal to a plus ib into a minus ib. So multiply this one, a square minus ib whole square, and this is a square minus I square into b square. A square, I square means minus 1, so minus 1 plus b square. Okay, so more z square equal to a square plus b square, and z into z conjugate is also a square plus b square. Therefore more z square equal to z into z conjugate, z into z conjugate. Okay, these are the very important property. More z square equal to z into z conjugate. Remember this point. Okay, next proof of 6 proof. Now here z1 into z2 mode equal to more z1 into more z2. Why? Here we take two complex number. Let z1 equal to a plus ib and z2 equal to c plus id are two complex number. Then z1 into z2 multiplying a plus ib into c plus id कौन होला? a into c ac plus I into ad plus I into bc plus I square into bd. Okay, and this is sc. I square means minus 1, so sc minus bd plus I into ad plus bc. Okay, this is the z1 into z2, and z1 into z2 modulus z1 into z2 modulus equal to root of this one is the real part and this is the imaginary part. Root of real part square. This is ac minus bd rho square plus imaginary part ad plus bc rho square. Okay, and now expand this one. आपको expand कल कौन होची पिले ना a square c square plus b square d square minus 2ab cd plus. Okay, do you understand? A square d square plus b square c square plus 2abcd. Okay, plus 2abcd. Now minus 2abcd plus 2abcd, these are the cancel. So root of a square c square plus b square d square. देखो a square plus c square पाकर a square plus d square रखी दियो. A square plus d square. Here b square d square plus b square c square. Okay. Now what we do? Taking common a square from first and second term. Taking b square common plus from third and fourth term. एट बी स्क्वायर कॉमन ले डी स्क्वायर प्लस सी स्क्वायर. Okay, now this is c square plus d square and d square plus c square. Take it common. So c square plus d square into a square plus b square. Okay. Now root a into b means root a into root b. This is root over c square plus d square and root over a square plus b square, and this is known as root over a square b square into root over c square plus d square, and this is root over a square plus b square means z1 row mode into z2 row mode. Okay. So z1 into z2 row whole mode equal to z1 row mode into z2 row mode. In general, note if z1 equal to z2 equal to z, then what happen? If we replace z1 and z2, okay, in place of z, so z1 means हमें सब्सटीट्यूट करिया z1 z into z, तो z into z equal to z रो मोड प्लस into मोड z, but z into z means z square, तो z square मोड equal to मोड z square, तो z square मोड equal to मोड z square. In general also z cube mode equal to mode z रो cube, so z to the power n रो mode equal to mode z to the power n. This property can be extended into any number of n complex number, like that. Note z to the power n, z to the power n complex number mode रो square equal to mode z to the power n, where n belongs to capital N. Okay, these are the properties, 6 property. Now we prove 8 property. So proof of 9 property हम prove करिया. Proof of 9 property. So in 9 property, z1 minus z2 रो mode square, z1 minus z2 mode square equal to mode z1 square plus mode z2 square minus 2 into real part of z1 into z2 रो conjugate. Okay, how can you prove this one? First we take the LHS part, z1 minus z2 रो mode square. Okay, z1 and z2, these are the two complex number. z1 minus z2, subtraction of two complex number is again a complex number. And you know mode z square, देखो mode z square means what? Z into z conjugate. But in place of z, here z1 minus z2 is there. That's why z1 minus z2 mode square equal to z1 minus z2 into z1 minus z2 whole conjugate. We write these things using property. This is z1 minus z2 into z1 minus z2 whole conjugate. Okay, but this is z1 minus z2 into z1 minus z2 whole conjugate. This is also property, z1 conjugate minus z2 conjugate, z1 conjugate minus z2 conjugate. Now multiply these things. So z1 into z1 conjugate minus z1 into z2 conjugate minus z2 into z1 conjugate minus plus z2 into z2 conjugate. Okay, but z1 into z1 conjugate means this is more z1 square minus here z1 into z2 conjugate minus देखो ये कौन अच्छी z1 into z2 conjugate, here z2 into z1 conjugate, but this one z2 into z1 conjugate is the conjugate of z1 into z2 conjugate. तो या जगह हमें कौन रिप्लेस करवा z1 into z2 whole conjugate देखो आर z1 into z2 conjugate whole conjugate means z1 conjugate into z2 conjugate but z2 conjugate means z2, तो z2 into z1 conjugate एटा कहबा जहाँ एटा कहबा जहाँ हला. अच्छा, why we write these things? Because actually we prove that mode z1 square plus mode z2 square minus 2 into real part of z1 into z2 conjugate. जदि ये हमें कॉमन नहीं जाए कौन बेटा z1 z2 conjugate plus z1 into z2 conjugate So z1 into z2 ର conjugate plus z1 into z2 ର conjugate whole conjugate, and you know z plus z ର conjugate equal to 2 into real part of z, 2 into real part of z. That's why we write these things. या जगह यार conjugate आम लिखिले बा तुम कौन करता या जगह यार conjugate लिखिले भी होता ओके प्लस प्लस मोर z2 रो स्क्वायर. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? अच्छा, सो दिस इज z1 रो स्क्वायर माइनस कॉमन नहीं जो, सो z1 इंटू z2 कंजुगेट प्लस z1 इंटू z2 रो कंजुगेट रो होल कंजुगेट. ये जो कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर रहा ये जो कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबरटा ए कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबरटा कौन अच्छी यार कंजुगेट ना नहीं. अच्छा, ये जहाँ अच्छे ये तार कंजुगेट अच्छे प्लस मोर z2 रो स्क्वायर, and this is 2 into real part of this one, 2 into real part of z1 into, so more z1 square minus 2 into real part of this complex number here z1 into z2 conjugate into in plus more z2 square. Okay, so this proof is complete. देखो ए स्टेपटा तुम ये बुझा दरकार जे z2 into z1 conjugate माने कौन, z2 into z1 conjugate this one z1 into z2 रो कंजुगेट रो कंजुगेट. एडी कॉमन काला पर 8 रहिला प्लस एति रहिला हला एटा को स्टाइल अछि z प्लस z, जदि एटा z हबो एटा कोन हबो z बार हला, जदि z प्लस z बार ता कोन हमर प्रॉपर्टी अछि वी हैव z प्लस z बार इक्वल टू 2 into रियल पार्ट ऑफ z, z मींस z1 into z2 रो कंजुगेट. ओके, जेतु हम प्रूव करिया पड़ियो. ओके, इन ऑर्डर टू प्रूव दैट्स व्हाई वी टेकिंग दिस थिंग्स. So z1 minus z2 रो mod square equal to mod z1 square minus 2 into real part of z1 into z2 रो conjugate plus mod z2 रो square. Okay, next we prove 10 number and 11 number also, 10 number and 11 number also. This is okay. So z1 plus z2 whole mod is less than or equal to mod z1 plus mod z2. Okay, now we prove these things. First we take z1 plus z2 mod square, z1 plus z2 mod square, z1 plus z2 mod square equal to z1 plus z2 sorry z1 plus z2 mod square means this is z1 plus z2 into z1 plus z2 the whole conjugate, and this is z1 plus z2 into z1 plus z2 whole conjugate means z1 the conjugate plus z2 the conjugate. Okay, now multiply these things, z1 into z1 the mod plus z1 into z2 रो conjugate plus z2 into z1 रो conjugate plus z2 into z2 रो whole conjugate. So z1 into z1 रो conjugate means more z1 रो square plus here z1 into z2 रो conjugate plus z2 into z1 रो conjugate means this is z1 into z2 रो conjugate रो whole conjugate ना नहीं कहीं यार conjugate काले कौन होती z1 रो conjugate, z2 रो conjugate this is z2. Okay, plus more z2 square plus more z2 square. Okay, and this is z1 रो square plus here suppose we take this is z and this one is z रो conjugate, z plus z रो conjugate equal to 2 into real part of z, and this is 2 into real part of z into z2 रो conjugate, 2 into real part of z1 into z2 रो conjugate plus more z2 square plus more z2 square. Okay, and you know real part of z is less than or equal to mod z. Okay, you know real part of z is less than or equal to mod z. This is the properties of the modulus, and which is greater than or equal to minus mod z. So real part of z is less than or equal to mod z, that means real part of z1 into z2 रो conjugate. Okay, here real part of z1 into z2 रो conjugate, that's why we take real part of z1 into z2 रो conjugate is less than or equal to what, z1 into z2 रो conjugate रो mode. Okay, now we multiply these things. ये 2 हमें multiply कर ले तापर कौन करिया ऐड कर दियो. अच्छा, मोड z1 रो स्क्वायर प्लस 2 into real part of z1 into z2 रो conjugate plus more z2 square. Now we add these two terms in both sides. The inequality never be changed because this one is a positive quantity, so which is less than or equal to more z1 square plus 2 into z1 into z2 modulus plus more z2 square. Okay, and this one more z1 square plus 2 into z1 into z2 conjugate modulus plus more z2 square equal to this expression equal to more z1 plus more z1 square plus 2 into z1 into z2 conjugate modulus means more z1 into z2 conjugate modulus plus more z2 square. Okay, because you know z1 into z2 mode equal to more z1 into more z2, and this is equal to more z1 square plus 2 into more z1 into z2 conjugate modulus, that is z2 modulus, that is mod to z2 no z2 modulus plus more z2 square. Okay, do you understand? I hope that all are understand. And this is more z1 square plus 2 into z1 mode into z2 mode plus more z2 square equal to more z1 plus more z2 whole square. Okay, now here more z1 square plus 2 into real part of z1 into z2 conjugate plus more z2 square is less than or equal to more z1 square plus more z2 more z1 plus more z2 whole square. That implied, but this expression z1 mode square plus 2 into real part of z1 into z2 conjugate plus more z2 square equal to z1 plus z2 mode square. So z1 plus z2 mode square is less than or equal to more z1 plus more z2 whole square. Okay, do you understand? देखो ए एक्सप्रेशन टा या ठारू लेस होची किंतु ए एक्सप्रेशन टा या संगे समान यार फिल्ला या संगे समान यार फिल्ला आ संगे समान हबो, तो ए फर्स्ट एक्सप्रेशन टा या ठारू कोन हबो लेस हबो, लेस देन और इक्वल टू, बट दिस वन इज z1 plus z2 mode square, that's why z1 plus z2 mode square is less than equal to 3. So taking positive square root, taking positive square root, taking positive square root, we get z1 plus z2 the whole mode is less than equal to more z1 plus more z2, more z1 plus more z2. Okay, and this property is known as a triangle inequality. So proof is complete. Next we prove 11 property, proof of 11 कौन अच्छी ना z1 minus z2 the whole mode is greater than or equal to more z1 minus more z2. How can you prove this one? Proof देखो, now z1 the mode, z1 the mode equal to z1 minus z2 plus z2. Okay, you can write this one. So z1 minus z2 plus z2 the whole mode which is less than or equal to z1 minus z2 the mode plus more z2 by applying this property triangle inequality. Now taking right side z1 the mode minus z2 mode is less than equal to z1 minus z2 mode, that implied z1 minus z2 the whole mode is greater than equal to more z1 minus more z2. Okay, so this proof is also complete z1 minus z2 mode is greater than equal to mode z1 minus mode z2. Okay, so in this way you have to prove these modulus of all are these properties. Okay, you know modulus means a complex number, modulus means root over real part square plus imagined part square, and these are the properties. Okay, now we take it some problem using modulus. If z1 equal to 2 minus I, z2 equal to 1 plus I, find z1 plus z2 plus 1 by z1 minus z2 plus I ro modulus. Okay, so first we find z1 plus z2 plus 1 by z1 minus z2 plus I by replacing z1 equal to 2 minus I and z2 equal to 1 plus I. Okay, so what happened? Answer 1. z1 plus z2 plus 1 whole by z1 minus z2 plus I ro whole mode equal to, substitute the value, z1 means 2 minus I, z2 means plus 1 plus I plus 1 whole by z1 2 minus I minus z2, z2 means minus of 1 plus I means minus 1 minus I plus I. Okay, so here minus I plus I cancel, and here minus I, so this is 2 plus 1 plus 1 4 by 2 minus 1 3, 2 minus 1 1, a minus I plus I cancel, so 1 minus I, 2 minus 1 1 alla minus I, so 4 by 1 minus I ro mode, and you know z1 by z2 mode equal to mode z1 by mode z2, 4 mode by 1 minus I ro mode. You know 4 mode, so mode 4 equal to root over 4 square plus 0 square, because every real number is also a complex number. यार modulus माने कौन, real part square plus imagined part square, तो 4 square root 16 by root over 1 plus 1 है 1 square minus 1 square, so root 4 square है 4 by root 2, 4 by root 2, and this is 2 root 2, ये 2 into 2 by root 2, so 2 root 2. Okay, so the modulus is 2 root 2. Next, number 2, find the modulus of, let we take z equal to 1 plus I by 1 minus I minus 1 minus I by 1 plus I. First we make a plus IB form, this complex number. Now taking LCM, 1 minus I into 1 plus I, and this is 1 plus I the whole square minus 1 minus I the square, and a plus b whole square minus a minus b square, you know 2 into a square plus b square by 1 minus I square. Okay, a 1 square minus I square, so I square means minus 1, and this is 2 into 1 minus 1 by I square means minus 1, so 1 plus 1, and 0 by 2, so 0 by 2 equal to 0, so its modulus is 0. Okay, and third number, answer 3, find non-zero integral solutions 1 minus I from mode power x equal to 2 to the power x. So here we find a non-zero integral solution, x रो value आमे बाहर करिया जोटा कि x टा कोन होइतियो 0 न होइतिबो except 0. So what are the value of x? You know 1 minus I means 1 minus I to the power x, 1 minus I to the power x equal to 2 to the power x. That implies 1 minus I ro modulus means what? Root over 1 ro square plus minus 1 ro square, 1 ro square है रो power x equal to what? 2 to the power x है, and this is that implied here 1 ro square plus 1 ro square 2 root 2, so root 2 ro power x equal to 2 ro power x है, that implied 2 to the power x by 2 ना नहीं root 2 power x means what? 2 to the power x by 2 है, तो 2 to the power x by 2 equal to 2 to the power x, ये बेसटा सेम होसी ना पावरटा समान हो, तो x by 2 is equal to केते, sorry x by 2 equal to x, that implied x equal to 2x है ना, तो x equal to 2x means what? 2x minus x, तो x equal to 0, तो माइनस एक्स इक्वल टू 0, दैट मीन्स एक्स इक्वल टू 0. तो x equal to 0, this is not, because here we ask non-zero integral solution. So there is a non-zero integral solution. It is impossible. Non-zero integral solution is 0. So non-zero integral solution is 0. 0 means count. They have no non-zero solution. 0. So non-zero integral solution x equal to 0. This is not answer. एडी x रो बेला 0 नुह सी कौन पचार here what we ask, what will be non-zero integral solution. So there is no non-zero integral solution. So non-zero integral solution is 0. 0 number non-zero integral solution means there is no non-zero integral solution. Okay. Next, square root of a complex number. Square root of a complex number. Let z equal to a plus ib be a complex number. Now find its square root. Okay. Let z equal to a plus ib be a complex number. Now find its square root. Root of a plus ib equal to x plus iy. Let. Okay. So root of a plus ib equal to x plus iy. Now to find the value of x and y. Okay. Now squaring on both sides, a plus ib, that is squaring on both sides. Okay. Squaring on both sides. Squaring both sides. That implied x square. Here I y square means x square plus I square y square plus 2xyi equal to a plus ib. Okay. That implied x square minus y square plus 2xyi equal to a plus ib. Now equating real and imaginary part, equating real and imaginary part, we get a real part is x square minus y square, imaginary part is 2xy, a real part is a and imaginary part is 2b. That implied x square minus y square equal to a and 2xy equal to b. 2xy equal to b. Okay. Now x square plus y square whole square equal to a plus b whole square means a minus b whole square plus 4ab. This is x square minus y square whole square, a minus b whole square plus 4ab x square into y square. Okay. And x square minus y square whole square means this is a square. X square minus y square means what? A. So a square plus 4x square y square means what? 2xy whole square. And this is 2xy whole square means this is b square. Okay. Now x square plus y square equal to root of a square plus b square, because x square means always positive, y square means always positive. So x square plus y square must be positive, so we take only positive value. X square minus y square equal to root over x square minus root over a square plus b square. So here x square plus y square equal to root over a square plus b square and x square minus y square equal to a. Okay, this is a. Now adding these two expression. So here 2x square equal to root over a square plus b square plus a. That means x square equal to 1 by 2 into root over a square plus b square plus a. Okay, and this is x square hoche x square eti gala. So x equal to, that means x equal to what? X equal to 1 by root 2. X equal to what? 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 into root over a square plus b square plus a. This is x square. Okay, and what will be y square? And y square, x square plus y square equal to root over a square plus b square, and substitute this value of x square, or then x square value substitute karo, then we get y square. Naki? Acha. So x square jagare a value substitute kale kon hobo na 1 by 2 into root over a square plus b square plus a plus y square equal to root over a square plus b square. Okay, now y square equal to, that implied y square equal to root over a square plus b square minus 1 by 2 into root over a square plus b square plus a hala. Acha, and this is 2 into root over a square plus b square minus root over a square plus b square minus a by 2. हम LCM बाहर कले 2 into root over a square plus b square minus root over a square plus b square, it has your minus a नहीं कि? अच्छा, so एटा root over a square plus b square minus root over a square plus b square means this is the root over a square plus b square minus a by 2. Okay, and this is y square value is root over a square plus b square minus a by 2, and x square value is root over a square plus b square plus a by 2. That means x equal to 1 by root 2 into this one, and y equal to, and here y equal to, okay, first x ର value ଏତି ଆସିଲା, ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ y ର value କ'ଣ ଆସିବ, କମା y equal to y square equal to this one, तो y equal to अच्छा x square टा सिना एति गले x ର value କ'ଣ ହେବ, plus or minus 1 by root 2 ହେବ ना नहीं जे. अच्छा y square equal to this one, that means y equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2 into root over a square plus b square minus a raw whole root. Okay, raw whole root. So here x equal to plus or minus, so in lastly we get x equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2 into root over a square plus b square by a, and y equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2 into root over a square plus b square minus a. Acha, but देखो here root over a square plus b square means this is the mod z, and a equal to real part of z. So we write x equal to, therefore x equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2 into root over mod z. Okay, because mod z equal to root over a square plus b square plus real part of z. Okay, plus real part of z, and y equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2 into root over mod z minus, and this is the real part of z by 2. Okay, अच्छा, here plus or minus, here plus or minus, square root means we get only two values. So root over a plus ib, it is the x value आमे y value substitute करिबा, we will get two values. अच्छा, since here 2xy equal to b, that means xy equal to b by 2. So if b is positive, if the imaginary part of b is positive, in such case xy टा कौन हम b by 2 माने पॉजिटिव होगा दरकार. पॉजिटिव मीन्स दीटा को नंबर x रे वैल्यू y रे वैल्यू कौन होता दरकार, either both are positive or both are negative. So here the square root of z equal to x रे वैल्यू हम पकेबा plus 1 by root 2 root over mod z plus real part of z plus 3 आ पड़ियो ना नहीं, or you can take a minus 1 by root 2 root over mod z plus real part of z minus this one. तार अर्थ है जिते बड़ा बीटा पॉजिटिव होता बीटा पॉजिटिव होते एक्स रैल्यू प्लस ने वाईटा प्लस ना पड़ो ना नहीं बा एक्सटा माइनस ने वाईटा आमको माइनस ना पड़ो कहीं स्क्वायर रूट मैंने दीटा भैल्यू आसवे तुम जो एक्सट्रा प्लस भैल्यू नब माने वाईटा से प्लस हम एक्सट्रा माइनस ना वाईटा भी माइनस ना पड़ो इफ b is negative if b is negative means product of two number will be negative so product of two number negative means one is positive and other is negative so in such case the square root is it extra plus nale y da kon hobo minus hobo by extra minus nale y da kon hobo plus hobo that's why we combinedly write these things so square root of z finally we write dekho finally we write square root of z equal to square root of z that is square root z equal to plus or minus because here we get x equal to plus or minus and y equal to plus or minus and this is equal to root of here mod z plus real part of z by 2 by root रा कौन कली मो डिवाइड कर देली by 2 कर देली रूट भितर नहीं होची ना नहीं प्लस i times because root of a plus ib equal to x plus iy it i रही iy रो वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करा तो root of a mod z minus real part of z by 2 okay if b greater than 0 so root z equal to plus or minus root of here mod z plus real part of z by 2 plus I times root of here mod z total root रहिबो नै कि अच्छा mod z minus real part of z by 2 and this is root of here mod z plus real part of z by 2 minus I into root of here mod z minus real part of z by 2 if imaginary part b is negative if b is negative do you understand if b is negative कौन होला ना स्क्वायर रूट माने कौन है दीरा वैल्यू आसियो ना नहीं अगर प्लस और माइनस अछि माने एटा प्लस हे परियो एटा प्लस है एटा माइनस हे परियो जत्ते बेले b टा पॉजिटिव थियो माने तमे एटा को प्लस और माइनस लिखियो प्लस और माइनस दिस वन ओके प्लस और माइनस रूट ऑफ मोड z प्लस रियल पार्ट ऑफ z by 2 प्लस i टाइम्स से लगा जो b रा नेगेटिव हम माने एटी माइनस i रहइबो काहे कि एटा प्लस और माइनस अछि एटा प्लस हैले एटा माइनस हबो एटा माइनस हैले एटा प्लस हबो अल्टरनेट हबो जदि b रा नेगेटिव अछि इमेजिन पार्ट टा नेगेटिव अछि ओके सो फाइनली यू कैन राइट दिस द फार्मूला ऑफ स्क्वायर रूट तमे कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर स्क्वायर रूट टा एम दी प्रोसेस यूज करी कले हबो और यू कैन अप्लाई डायरेक्ट फार्मूला अप्लाई कले भी हे पारियो root z equal to plus or minus root of here mod z plus real part of z by 2 plus I into this one if b is positive if b is negative here we can write minus sign okay do you understand square root for example देखो for example find the square root of 3 plus 4i for example square root of 3 plus 4i so 3 plus 4i means here imaginary part is 4 positive means we write these things so square root equal to plus or minus its value is root of mod z means here what is mod z equal to 3 plus 4i so mod z means root of a square plus b square root of a square plus b square means 9 plus 16 root 25 5 वाला mod z टाला 5 plus real part of z केते plus real part of z3 by 2 ओके आम डायरेक्ट अप्लाई कर फर्मुला देख प्ले प्लस आई इंटू रूट ऑफ हेयर मोड जेड मीन्स 5 माइनस रियल पार्ट ऑफ 3 by 2 ओके सो दिस इज इक्वल टू प्लस और माइनस 3 plus 5 8 by 2 4 root 4 ओके प्लस आई टाइम्स 5 minus 3 2 by 2 1 root 1 ओके and this is plus or minus root 4 means 2 plus I this is the square root of 2 plus I एटा प्लस ना 2 plus I गोटे और minus 2 minus I गोटे okay for example if we ask another example minus 5 plus 12I तो minus 5 plus 12I Here the square root, here b is also positive, that's why we write root over plus or minus root over mod z. So mod z means here minus 5 root square root 25 plus 144 है mod z calculation करो तो 169 root के 13 है तो 13 plus real part of z कहते minus 5 by 2 plus I times root over 13 minus 5 by 2. Okay, so this is plus or minus here 13 minus 5. Okay, so it is minus real part of z माने plus है ना नहीं mod z plus real part of z टा कहते होते minus 5 ना and minus real part of z तो minus 5 है okay so 13 minus 5 8 है 8 by 2 माने कौन 4 है root 4 माने कहते 2 है plus I into 13 plus 5 कहते 18 है 18 by 2 बोले कहते 9 है root 9 माने कौन 3 so this is 3I. So square root minus 5 plus 12 equal to plus or minus 2 plus 3I. Or you can take another example also. This is minus 5 minus 11 minus 60I. So minus 11 minus 60I. So minus 11, next example, minus square root over minus 11 minus 60I. Here A is minus A. Here A equal to minus 11 and B equal to minus 60 which is less than 0. तो B राइज नेगेटिव अच्छी माने ये माइनस पड़ो नहीं ये माइनस पड़ो अच्छा मोड जेटा के कहले मोड जेड इक्वल टू रूट ओवर ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर माइनस 11 टू स्क्वायर प्लस माइनस 60 स्क्वायर सो 11 टू स्क्वायर के 121 प्लस 60 टू स्क्वायर 3600 एंड दिस इज आसो के सो 121 प्लस 3600 है ना सो यहाँ के 1 এটা আছে 1 এটা 2 61 के तरह 7 এটা 3 so 3 root over 3721 so it's a square root find out it's a square root and this is equal to okay and this is 61 so square root over 3721 equal to 61 okay. Now its square root is 61. After find substitute this value equal to 61 so square root z equal to here imagine part is negative means this is the plus or minus mod z. The formula is root over mod z. So mod z means 61 plus real part of z plus real part of z here real part of is minus 11 तो minus 11 by 2 here minus रहिबो नहीं minus root over real part of z minus imaginary part of z real part of the mod z minus real part of z root over mod z minus real part of z real part z कहते minus 11 तो minus 11 plus 11 है by 2 है ना एमदी आसो सो तुम फॉर्मूला तुम रिमेम्बर कर रखियो है ना सो दिस इज प्लस और माइनस ईयर के 60 तो 50 है 50 by 2 25 तो 25 रूट के 5 है माइनस आई इंटू ये 61 प्लस के 72 मीन्स by 2 36 है 36 रूट 6 है 6 है so this is plus or minus 5 minus 6i this is the square root okay so in this way you have to find the square root of the complex number. Next we do another problem also find the square root of I okay so here real part is 1 and imaginary part is 0 now find its square root okay now here a equal to 0 and b equal to 1 which is greater than 0. Okay, beta 1 positive अच्छी तो square root now mod z equal to root over a square plus b square 0 plus 1 root 1 and real part is 0, imaginary part is 1. Okay, we have the formula mod z equal to plus or minus okay root over mod z plus real part of z by 2. एटी कौन हम इमेजिन पार्ट 1 अच्छी पॉजिटिव अच्छी सो प्लस हम आई इंटू रूट ओवर मोड जेड माइनस रियल पार्ट ऑफ जेड बाय 2. ओके एंड रूट ओवर आई इक्वल टू प्लस और माइनस मोड जेड. दिस इज द मोड जेड मीन्स 0 प्लस रियल पार्ट ऑफ जेड इज 0 here sorry mod z equal to 1 तो 1 plus 0 by 2 plus I into root over mod z equal to 1 imaginary part is 0 by 2 and this is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2 1 by root 2 root 1 by 2 1 by 2 the whole root means 1 by root 2 plus I into 1 by root 2. Okay, now taking common 1 by root 2 so 1 by root 2 plus or minus 1 by root 2 into 1 plus I. This is the square root of I. Okay, so in this way you have to find the square root of the complex number. Okay, you take by using formula or in generally root over a plus ib जो square root देथियो सेटा तमे x plus iy नबो तापरे ताको स्क्वायरिंग करियो रिकोटिंग रियल एंड इमेजिन पार्ट एकोटिंग करी x y रो वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करला पर x y रो वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करले भी हे पारियो. In this way you have to find the square root. Okay, now another question, one question is let alpha and beta are two different complex numbers. Let now alpha and beta are two different complex numbers such that mod beta equal to 1, then find beta minus alpha by 1 minus alpha ro conjugate into beta रो whole modulus. Okay, here mod beta equal to 1 answer देखो mod beta equal to 1 तो mod beta equal to 1 means mod beta square equal to 1. What is beta? Beta is a complex number and you know complex number is a modulus. Mod z square equal to z into z conjugate. So mod beta square equal to 1 means beta into beta conjugate equal to 1. Okay, so beta minus alpha by 1 minus alpha conjugate into beta whole mod equal to substitute this value in place of 1 beta into beta conjugate. तो beta minus alpha by 1 जगह पके दियो beta into beta conjugate minus alpha conjugate into beta whole mod. Okay, and which is equal to beta minus alpha by beta into beta, take it common beta, so this is beta conjugate minus alpha conjugate. Okay, now use this property, so the properties use हम पूरी करछे and this is beta minus alpha by beta conjugate minus alpha conjugate means beta minus alpha whole conjugate. You can write modulus that implied you know z1 by z2 whole mod equal to mod z1 by mod z2. This is the property beta minus alpha modulus by beta into beta minus alpha conjugate modulus, and you know z1 into z2 conjugate means z1 conjugate into z2 conjugate, and this is beta minus alpha modulus by mod beta into beta minus alpha conjugate modulus, and this is equal to beta minus alpha modulus by mod beta equal to 1 beta minus alpha conjugate modulus. This is the same thing as beta minus alpha modulus, beta minus alpha modulus, and take it cancel to each other, and this is equal to 1. Okay, now its value is also 1 since alpha and beta are two complex numbers. Okay, so in the next class we do some other problem of the modulus and cube roots of a unity. In next class we will discuss cube roots of a unity, like that square root. Then the square root means we have two values. ना आम स्क्वायर रूट पढ़ुले रियल नंबर स्क्वायर रूट पढ़ुले but today we will discuss square root of a complex number, how to find a complex number, its square root. In next class, cube root. Thank you.